This repair video for the P0300 error code is specifically tailored for Jeep drivers. If your Jeep is showing a P0300 code, this is for you. It indicates that two or more cylinders are experiencing misfires, which means one or more cylinders are not firing properly and causing irregular combustion. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: worn or fouled spark plugs, faulty ignition coils, clogged or dirty fuel injectors, low fuel pressure, vacuum leaks, excessive carbon buildup, malfunctioning mass airflow sensor, timing issues. Once you find the misfired cylinders, there are two simple DIY solutions you can try to solve this problem. Method A, the spark plug. The spark plugs are located at the engine end of the wires under the plug covers that attach them. First, carefully remove the spark plug. Use the spark plug gapper to check the spacing of this spark plug. Normally, spacing should be between 0.024 to 0.071 inches. As you see, the spacing of this spark plug is a bit low. Use the spark plug gapper to increase the spacing back to the normal range. But if you see there is obvious damage on the spark plug, just simply replace it with a new one. Method B, the ignition coil. Ignition coils are usually installed directly at the cylinder head above the spark plug. First, carefully remove the ignition coil from the engine. Check to see if the ignition coil is either stained or damaged. If the ignition coil is covered with engine oil or stains, simply clean it with a WD-40 cleaner. Otherwise, replace the damaged ignition coil with a new one. So here are two of the most practical solutions to fix the P0300 error code. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.